guys, welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Killer Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, March the 29th, 2023, and I've already solved two regular puzzles, the binary and the medium Sudoku, and it's time now for the Killer Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an addition with extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve, but not now, in the evening. And today is war day number 399. Tomorrow, day number 400. But let me continue with the medium Sudoku mix, Killer Sudoku. Number 6193. We have four given numbers. Wow. And for a Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. And we have here 4 given numbers. The 1, the 2, the 2, and the 6. The 1 in the given number 1 in the box of 7. The combination here will be 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. The 2 in the triple box of 18. That means that those two boxes together should be 16. 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. Yeah, in this triple box of 8, given number 2, that means that those two boxes together should be a 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. And this triple box of 16 with the given number 6, that means that these two boxes together should be 10. All right, so let's get started. What you also need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. And my first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. I'm looking for a big square with only one sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this one has 1, 2. This one has 1. Yeah, 1. These two should be 10. Okay. This one has 1. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these two big squares. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 10 plus 23 is 33. 33 plus 8 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. In this triple box of 18, those two boxes together should be 14. Okay. This big square, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 18 plus 12 is 30. 30 plus 14 is 44. So 45 minus 14, 45 minus 44. 45 minus 44 is a 1. In the box of 4, the combination here will be 1 plus a 3. All right. Then I saw this column with one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 13 plus 7 is 20. 20 plus 11 is 31. 31 plus 9 is 40. So 45 minus 40 is a 5. In this triple box of 22, these two boxes together should be 17. 17 plus 5 is 22. Alright, let me check if there are more. Here we have 2 more rows or columns with one sharing box. Wow, 17. Here. Yeah. Okay. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number these two boxes together. Okay. 12 plus 17 is 29. 29 plus 9 is 38. 38, that means 45 minus 38 is a 7. These two boxes together should be a 7. In this triple box of 8, that box should be a 1. Okay, now I have this column. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number these two boxes together. Yeah. Alright, 13 plus 7 is 20. 20 plus 15 is 35. 35 plus 1 is 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. These two boxes together should be a 9. In this triple box of 17, that box should be an 8. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. Okay, here. Okay. Here we have also a column with one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 18 plus 10 is 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. 32 plus 8 is 40. So 45 minus 40 is a 5 in this column here. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 5 plus 6. Alright. Let me see. Well, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 13 or in the box of 15. Otherwise, the combination here will be 2 plus 13. 30 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So 2 should be here in the box of 9. That means that those two boxes together should be a 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Okay. My next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 3. Only one combination. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the cannot place the 3 in the box of 14, otherwise the combination will be 3 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. The highest number I can use is number 9. So the 3 should be here in this triple box of 12. These two boxes together should be a 9. Okay. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Then the box of 17. Only one combination for the box of 17. 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes there. Alright. 6 and 3. Okay. Then. Well, 7. 7 and 1. 7 and 5. Yeah. One of the missing number in the second column is number 7. Well, I cannot place the 7 in this triple box of 9. Otherwise, 7 plus 2 is already 9. So I need another digit. Should be a 0. 0 is not allowed. The 7 I cannot use this also in this triple box of 8. Otherwise, 7 plus 1 is already an 8. So I need a 0. Not allowed. So 7 should be in a box of 12. Combination 7 and 5. 7 and 5. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Okay. 6 could be here or there. Okay. Let me think. 1 should be here. Yeah. And the triple box of 6. There's only one combination for the triple box for 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2. Well, we have a 3 here. So I cannot place the 3 here. So 1 and a 2. So that box should be a 3. Yeah, because we already have a 3 here. So the 3 could be here or there. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 7. No, 6. Yeah. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 6 plus 5. The 5 is already used in the first row. So the 6 should be there. And the other two numbers should be the 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 7. Okay. So one digit left in this triple box of 17. These two boxes together should be a 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. Okay. One of the missing number here is in this big square is number 4. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 9, otherwise the combination will be 4 plus 5. The 5 is already used in this big square, so the 4 should be there, and these two boxes together should be a 7. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, plus 1 is equal to 8. Two numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, 2 and a 7. 2 and a 7. Okay, so 2 boxes left in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 9. Well, I cannot place the 9 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 9. The 2 is already used here in this first column. So the 9 should be in the box of 13. 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4. So 2 numbers left. I believe the 8 and the 3. 8 and the 3, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3, 3. Well, 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So there will be 3. The only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or there. If I place the 3 here, then those 2 boxes together should be 20 in this triple box of 23. Well, 20 will be difficult for 2 digits. Well, then I need 9 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. So the 3 should be here. And these 2 boxes together should be 10. So 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Overlook this box of 4. Only one combination, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. The box of 16. Only one combination for the box of 16. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 7 here in this column, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. Alright, 4 in this column, 4 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 4 should be there. In the box of 6, the combination will be 4 plus 2. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Well, I cannot place the 8 there because we have already an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes together should be 14, so 5 plus 9 is equal to 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. I cannot place the 5 in one of those 2 boxes because we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. The 5. If I place the 5 in the box of 9, then the combination will be 5 plus 4. The 4 is already used in this big square, so it can be here. The 5 should be there. In the box of 7, the combination will be 5 plus 2. 7 and a 2. We have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes and there. The 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 1 in the third row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. If I place the 1 in the box of 13, then the combination will be 1 plus 12. 12 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So the 1 should be here in the box of 9. The combination will be 1 plus 8. So 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. In this triple box of 21, the combination will be 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 7 is equal to 21. Yeah, in the box of 13, the combination will be 9 plus 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. In this triple box of 21, those 2 boxes together should be 12. Okay. 9 in this column. Oh, we have the box of 16. Only one combination, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. Okay. Do we have more? 1 box left in this column for number 1. In these 2 boxes together should be 6. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7, the 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 9 is equal to 23. Alright, so we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. In the box, the box of 15, there are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 9 plus 6 and 8 plus 7. Well, the 9 is already used here in this big square. So 8 and a 7, 8 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so 2 numbers. Oh, wait. triple box of 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. In the box of 7, the combination will be 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 7 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. In the box of 10, the combination will be 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this one, no 2 there. 2 should be there. In the box of 10, the combination will be 2 plus 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. In the box of 14, the combination will be 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. The 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 and a 7. 5 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 9 and 4, we have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 and a 7, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 8 and a 7, we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 8 goes there. 8 and 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. Well. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.